Are you confused about all of the different Amazon ad types and how to best utilize them in your Amazon ad strategy? This video is part of the free playbook series, and we're going to show you some tips, tricks, and strategies to how to best utilize all of the different Amazon ad types to help take your Amazon ads to the next level. But first, if you don't know me, my name is Mike Zagari. I'm the owner of PPC Entourage. We have helped thousands of sellers over the past 5 years and managed millions of dollars in Amazon advertising. So if you're looking to improve your brand and turn your brand into a household name, then definitely subscribe to our channel and click on the little notification button. Okay guys, so the way that this is going to be broken down inside of the playbook series is that we are going to cover sponsored product ads first, then sponsored brand ads, and then sponsored display ads, just like inside of Seller Central or the advertising console. Now, when I click into sponsored product ads, you're going to see that there's going to be a layout going down the screen over here. And let me just push my big head away from the screen. You're going to see that there's going to be a layout going down the screen, and our playbook series is going to follow this layout. Now, this is the same layout that's inside of PPC Entourage. It looks a little bit different inside of Entourage, but the point is the order is the same as inside of the playbook series, and that's why it is designed that way. So that when you go into the Seller Central or inside of PPC Entourage, all you have to do is just fill in the information based on the playbook series. So as you can see here, we have the campaign name, portfolio, the daily budget, is it automatic or manual? Then we have the bidding strategy. We talk a lot about which bidding strategy to use inside of the playbook series for each campaign. Then we have the adjustment modifiers, which is something we use towards the later campaigns, especially the targeted campaigns. So that's something that would come in handy. Then we have the ad groups, the products that you can select. And now this is an automatic campaign, but if we were choosing the manual campaign, there would be the option to have the keyword targeting versus the product targeting. Now, keep in mind that when we talk about product targeting, we are also going to talk about the different, let me select a product first. We're going to talk about the different categories and the refinement of those categories. So for example, dog feeding mats, if I go into refine, then this is where you can select the brand for brand targeting. You can select the price range and the review star rating. So keep that in mind, guys, that as we go through, everything is listed right here. And then finally, we always end each campaign with whether or not we should do negative product targeting. All right, let's dive into sponsored brand ads and talk a little bit about that. With regards to sponsored brand ads, all of the campaigns inside of the playbook, once again, are going to go straight down the list over here, and we're going to make it simple and easy. Whoa, a new feature. That is so cool. This is new to Seller Central, I should say. So portfolio, start, end date, budget, and then the ad format. We're going to speak to product collection mainly, not sponsored store spotlight or video for this playbook. And then of course you can choose multiple products with the product selection. And of course we go through that in the playbook. And then we talk about which brand name and logo. This guy looks familiar. That's the guy from the History Channel. And then the headline, custom image, products that you can rearrange the order on. We talk about the optimize your ad feature, what it is and when to use it for each campaign. Talk about targeting. Once again, you have the keyword targeting, product targeting. The product targeting can be broken down into its different categories, and you can refine those categories just like you can inside of sponsored product ads. So really cool. And then you have the negative product targeting as well. All right, let's dive into the last one, which is sponsored display. Once again, this is the same campaign layout that we have inside of the playbook series. We have the campaign name, the start and end date, the daily budget, and then we have the ad group name. We have the targeting, whether it's going to be audiences, and audiences is broken down into searches, views, and purchases, which we will talk about when to use each one of these according to the customer buying cycle and according to the campaign that we're setting up for that customer buying cycle. And then we also have product targeting, which is so badass. Product targeting for sponsored display is so great. Make sure you follow that section inside of the playbook series because these are working really well. They're killer. That's pretty much it. Then you set your bid. And of course you have the products to target, and categories would be very similar. Let me just show you guys. The categories would be very similar. You can refine the categories here as well for sponsored display. What's cool is you could also see the creative. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is just one of over 30 short, simple, and easy to understand videos inside of the Amazon Ads Playbook series. And what we did is we broke down some really simple and easy to understand campaign strategies. We tell you why to use these campaigns, how to use these campaigns, exactly how to set them up, and when to set them up. You're going to learn how to fill in the gaps in your advertising so you're not losing any sales, with the goal of helping your brand to become a household name. So click on the link below. It is absolutely free, and we hope that you take this information and make a lot of money with it. I'll see you on the inside.